Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about aperture. What's the aperture? What happens when you change it? What are the numbers for? I'm going to tell you in a second. To begin with, the aperture is like a door for the light. If you use a closed aperture, we'll get a larger depth of field, but less light can fall onto the camera sensor. In our example, it would be a barely open door. Good luck to get in the room without opening it further. The higher the number, the more closed is it. So if you use an open one and focus on an object near to the lens, you get a nice blurry background. The lower the number, the more open is the aperture, and more light can fall onto the camera sensor. So in this situation, you can imagine it like as a wide open door. It's really easy to get into the room. On your camera screen or on the lens, you are going to see your selected aperture. The sharpness sweet spot is around f8 to f11. To shoot portraits, you would use an open aperture to get the nice blurry background. In landscape photography, I top up at f16. If you want to shoot at night, use the most open aperture available. I hope you liked it. See you.